As you can see, I've built the circuit here, an Astable Multivibrator with 2N2222 transistors. And you can see it here on the oscilloscope, and here it in the speaker. It's about 3.3 kilohertz. That's what sort of a frequency you should get. We changed the capacitor to a 0.1 microfarad capacitor, and as you can see, this is the waveform we're getting. And this is the lower tone which you should now be hearing. The calculation with the oscilloscope gives 363 Hertz, and the value that would be calculated from theory is 327 Hertz, so there's not much difference. Finally, when we go to unequal capacitors, in part 3 of the experiment we have the 0.1 and the 0.01, and there we see that we get a very narrow spike. A very narrow spike as a result of the unequal duty cycle. And the frequency of this wave is approximately 660 Hertz. And it has a very reedy tone, as a pulse usually does.